Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can open CSV files in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Now this one is mind-blowingly simple. Head over to Google Sheets, start a new document, and after that click on File here in the top left corner, and next select Open from that drop-down menu. And after that locate the CSV file you would like to upload. For example, maybe you have saved it on your Google Drive or on your computer. I'm going to open a CSV file I saved on my computer, so head over to this section here, Upload, and next click on Browse to locate the CSV file on your computer. Give Google Sheets a moment to open your CSV file, and there you go. As you can see here in the top left corner, my CSV file has been opened via Google Sheets. Alternatively, guys, you can save your documents or spreadsheets in CSV format. To do that, simply click on File here in the top left corner, choose Download from that drop-down menu, and after that select CSV, or which stands for comma separated value, as your output file format. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.